We connected our React frontend to the backend, and obviously connect really just meant sending HTTP requests from inside the React app to the backend. But this is what it's all about. Before, when we worked just on the backend, we only used Postman there. Now we're doing this from inside our React app. But one thing was missing: image upload. Thus far, we worked with some dummy image URLs for both the users as well as our places. It would be much nicer if the visitors of our page could instead bring their own images, if we had file pickers in our forms where users could choose images to use. Well, and that's exactly what we'll do in this module. In detail, you will learn how to accept and handle files, or specifically images, on the backend of our application, so on the server side, on Node.js side. And of course, we'll also cover the frontend and see how we can add a file picker there in our form and then get that file from the frontend with an HTTP request to the backend. All these things will be done in this module.